Hello children, in the previous video we have started reading the story The Power of Gentleness. So take out page number 23 of your moral science books. Let's continue with this story. We have to start from 5th paragraph. The wind was disappointed. He gave up the attempt and said, "The sun, this is your turn." Now the sun looked at the old man and started to spread its smiling rays. Now what happened? As I explained you in the previous paragraph, that the wind had tried very hard to remove the overcoat of the old man, but it failed. In spite of blowing very fast, even then the wind failed to remove the overcoat of the old man. So at this the wind got disappointed, means the wind became very sad as it was not able to win the competition. So the wind gave up and told the sun, "Now this is your turn. Now you try to remove the overcoat of the old man." Then the sun told, "Okay, I will try it." Then what happened? The sun looked at the old man and started to spread its smiling rays. Now the sun started shining in the sky. Means it started spreading its rays. As you all know children, when the sun shines very brightly in the sky, it starts spreading its rays. Means those rays are giving us heat. They give us heat. So when this sun started smiling and it started spreading the rays, means the old man started feeling hot at that time. The old man said to himself, now I feel better. And he loosened his grip over his overcoat. Now when the sun was shining very brightly in the sky, then at that time the old man said to himself, now it's okay, now I am feeling better. Before the wind was blowing and I was feeling very cold and I have covered myself with my overcoat very tightly. But now the sun is shining very brightly, now I am feeling better. And then he loosened his grip. Now he was not holding his overcoat very tightly. He loosened the grip over his overcoat. Means he was not holding his overcoat very tightly now. The sun smiled a little more. Then again the sun started shining more brightly than before. Means it started giving more heat. The old man was feeling warmth within and slowly removed his overcoat. Now the old man was feeling warm due to the heat of the sun. Then slowly the old man removed his overcoat due to the heat of the sun. He was feeling warm at that time now. Thus, the sun won the competition through gentleness. Now, what happened at the end? The sun won this competition. Why? The sun was gentle in nature. He had a gentle nature. He did not spoke rudely to the wind. He did not become angry with the wind. He did not give any rude answer to the wind. He did not use any harsh words for the wind. But he won the competition with gentleness. Whatever the wind used to tell the sun did it. Very quietly and calmly the sun did it. And at last the sun won the competition through gentleness. One who is gentle and loving is better appreciated than one who is harsh and rough. So children, this is the moral which we learn from this lesson, that if we are gentle and loving towards others, if we show our gentle behavior, our kind behavior and our loving behavior towards others, obviously everybody will appreciate us. Means everybody will love us. If we will love others, they will love us. If we will give respect to others, obviously they will also give respect to us. If we will be kind to others, obviously they will also be kind to us. If we will help others, obviously they will also help others when we are in need. So that all depends on your nature. If you are gentle, obviously others will also be gentle towards you. If you have a loving nature, obviously everybody will appreciate you. Everybody will say, yes, this person is a very gentle person. He always speaks politely. He always helps others. He never fights with anyone. Always you will be appreciated. Always you will be praised by others. So, what is the lesson which you get from this story? That always love others. Always respect others, whether they are elder to you or younger to you. Always help others. Always console others when they are sad. Always give happiness to others. So, all these are the qualities of being gentle. And never use harsh words or never use rough words for others. Never fight with others. Never abuse anyone. So, These are the various qualities of being gentle. So children, I have finished explaining you this lesson in this video. The exercises of this lesson we will do next week. That's all for today. Thank you.